We've just completed installation of our brand new Innerlayer factory at the Rigid Flex Center of Excellence, which came together in 2023 and was qualified for production in early 2024. Back in 2022, the leadership team at Allflex Solutions and the Rigid Flex Center of Excellence approved the build-out of an Innerlayer factory in their facility in Minneapolis. The new factory provides inline processing of interlayers with less handling, much higher throughput, and increased velocity of getting parts issued to the manufacturing floor. The Innerlayer factory is located adjacent to our material storage area, so layers are issued and processed immediately. The new line consists of an IPS chemical clean and micro etch, followed by a Hakuto Mach automatic cut sheet dry film laminator. The layers are imaged on an Orbotech Nuvogo 600 laser direct imager and are fed into an IPS Innerlayer develop etch strip line, inspected by an automatic optical inspection and released to manufacturing. The photo area is housed in a Class 10,000 clean room for improved manufacturing yield. This line can process conventional laminate layers as well as very thin flexible layers that we use in manufacturing complex rigid flex printed circuit boards. Our new factory can process layers and load the factory in a matter of hours instead of days. And it is designed to eliminate as much handling as possible, further increasing manufacturing yield. The new Innerlayer factory will provide Allflex Solutions customers with higher yields at lower costs and with better lead times. Come visit us and see it for yourself. For all your flexible electronic needs, call Allflex Solutions. We can provide you with flexible circuits, rigid flex, flexible heaters, catheter flex, and assembly services too.